In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Wrike. First, let's get started by opening the task, project, or folder where you'd like to add your file. It's important to ensure you're in the correct item because the process of attaching a file is specific to the particular task, project, or folder you are working in. Once you have opened the appropriate item, the next step involves attaching a file. Within the task view, you'll need to look for the paperclip icon, which is typically located either at the top right or the bottom area. Alternatively, there might be an Add Attachment button that serves the same purpose. Clicking on this will open up options for you to choose the source from which you'd like to upload your attachment. When it comes to selecting where to upload your file from, you have a few options. You could upload directly from your computer, which is a straightforward choice if the file you're attaching is saved locally on your device. Additionally, you have the convenience of choosing from a variety of cloud storage providers such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, or SharePoint. This is particularly handy if you're collaborating with a team that uses shared documents stored on the cloud. If your attachment exists online, you can opt to add it as a link simply by pasting the URL within the provided space. After selecting and uploading your file, it's time to confirm the upload. Once uploaded successfully, you will notice that the file appears in the attachments list under the specified task or project. This visibility is crucial as it ensures that all team members working on the project can easily find the document without having to search through emails or other communication tools. Team collaboration is one of the key aspects supported by Wrike, and this comes into play by allowing team members not only to access the file, but also to preview, download, or comment on it. This functionality makes it easier to share feedback or thoughts on the attached file, which can significantly enhance and smoothen the overall workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add attachments in Wrike. By following these steps, you can streamline your project management and improve collaboration with your team. Remember, the goal is to make sharing and accessing documents as seamless as possible, so everyone stays on the same page, and the project progresses efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this instructional guide helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Wrike.